In this tutorial, we would be discussing about sitemaps. A sitemap is a list of pages of a website. A sitemap is an XML file that lists the URLs of a website. So let's learn about it. Think of your sitemap as a blueprint of your website that helps search engines find, crawl, and index all your website's content. Sitemaps also tell search engines which pages on your website are most important. A sitemap provides information about relationships between pages of your website. Search engines like Google read this file to more intelligently crawl a website. A sitemap would tell search engines like Google about which page a webmaster thinks are important in the site, and also provide information like when different web pages were last updated or so. A sitemap can improve the crawling of a website in the search engine. See, sitemap is beneficial to use if your website has large number of pages or is full of rich media. On the other hand, usage of sitemaps would not be so beneficial if you have a small website. So now let us learn how we can create a sitemap and how we can submit the sitemap to a search engine. In case if your website is having less than 500 pages into it, you can make use of the online generator of sitemaps, which is available on xml-sitemaps.com. You can check the website name over here, just log in into it, and you can use this free service in which there is no registration is required. So it is beneficial for sites where there are less than 500 pages. So I have just entered my website address over here, www.therahul.in, and I'll click on start. Once I would be doing so, you'll find in the current page, slowly and steadily, all the different pages of the website would be listed over here. And my website is visible on this right side. I can click on view sitemap details. Once I would be doing so, I would find it is asking me to download my XML sitemap file. I can download it if I have created my website is hosted on some platform. I can go over there and I can upload this file in the root folder of the website. Once it is uploaded there, I'll give the link in the Google Search Console. Otherwise, by default, a website has been created with the sitemap details into it. It would be my website name like http colon double backslash the rahul.in slash sitemap.xml. So by default it is created. Let me show you how to put sitemap or submit your sitemap to Google. I have logged into my Google Search Console. If you have checked my previous tutorial, you know what is Google Search Console, and this is the tool through which I would be submitting my sitemap to the Google search. So if you have not seen my previous tutorial, I would put a link in the I button over here so that you can check that video. It would help you greatly. So as I'm into my search console right now, I would be going to index, and under index I would be clicking on sitemaps over here. Under sitemaps you'll find by default Google is asking me I add a sitemap, and my website address is already given over here, http colon double backslash www.therahul.in backslash. By default in the XML sitemap generator, I told you that the sitemap is created and has been hosted on their server with the same name. Just after my website name backslash, it would be sitemap.xml. I just need to put this and I'll click submit over here. Once it is submitted, it would be verified, and within a minute or so you would find that you would find in the status it would be in the green color success would be written. In my website, there are total 17 pages, and all the 17 pages have been discovered and have been listed by Google in the Google search. Now let me show you what a sitemap looks like and what is the benefit of a sitemap. As I have submitted my sitemap to Google search, so I'm into Google now. Over here, I would be writing my website name along with the top level domain, which is .in, and I'll click on enter. And if you'll see over here, my main website along with different pages of my website have just got listed. There are also more results from rahul.in. So what simply happened, this tree like structure has become visible in the website results. This way I am able to gain more real estate on this page of Google search. This is what is called a site map. So a map of my site is visible over here. Now what is the benefit of this thing? There are basically two benefits. One is sitemap helps in better search engine optimization, and second one, people, it helps people in easily reaching to a particular web page on my or maybe your website. Let me give you an example how. Take an example, this is my website. Now there is a web page on my website where people can download some exercise material for my digital marketing workshops that I conduct. So a person needs to go to first of all the page of solutions offered. Under the page of solutions offered, the person needs to go to training, would click over here, and then person would be reaching to this particular web page where the person can download the asset package. But if you will see my sitemap on Google search, if somebody would simply write the rahul.in, Rahul's asset package, by default this web page is listed over here. A person just needs to click over it and person would be reaching to this particular page where they can download the material or content. In this way, a person has saved on 3 clicks. And think of a person who is working on a slow connection, how much difficult it would be for that person to reach to this particular point in my website. Over a search engine, a person would straightforward write would be writing my website address, my sitemap is listed, and straightforward somebody can go to the desired page. So it increases customer convenience and also helps in better search engine optimization. I hope you would find this content to be interesting and easy to learn. Thank you so much. And if you have liked this video, do give it a thumbs up.